A YouTube poser with no such thing as security. Going to be showing a tutorial on how to get free ringtones for your phone. Now, many sites claim they can give you free ringtones, but you actually have to sign up for it. When you sign up, it's $9.99 a month for the services, and tax rates apply. Well, there's actually a site or a couple sites that actually allow you to sign up for free, and there's no charge for it at all. And there's actually a site, and this is not a scam. Don't believe me? Well, go fuck yourself. It's Mixer.com. If you don't have an account, sign up. You can create a mobile artist, mobile partner. I don't have any of those, not even one of those. So I'm going to create a personal, which is what you're going to want to do too. Type in your email address, and your ID is going to be your mobile phone number, so make sure you type in your phone number right and not get it wrong. Password, re-enter, display name, where you're born, gender, zip code. You don't need to check off these, but you do need to check this off, and then create an account. Once you create an account, then it will look like this. Let me sign in here quick. It will look like this. Now, you can go to content. This is always a bitch to load, by the way. I think I'm actually a partner with Mixer. Don't know. Can't remember how I got to be a partner, but I think if you're a partner, you can actually create your own ringtones and upload them here. Not quite sure. But yeah, there's many ringtones that I've created. Most of them got disabled. Guys, Mixer's being a fucking faggot. Jesus Christ. Alright. Let's go to mixer.com. Alright, once you make an account, go to make your own. Alright, I'm gonna choose a random audio file. Don't know what I'm gonna choose. I'll choose that one. Sometimes I won't even let you do it. Actually, no, when you make your own ringtone, there is no copyright restrictions or anything. But you can't share it with anyone. You're just making it for yourself, personally. Wait for the file to upload. I will pause it until it's done uploading. Alright, now, this is what should come up. There'll be a little thing right here. I'm going to walk you through on how to actually, create your own ringtone. Alright, there's actually a limit on what they give you is 40 seconds in length. Honestly, for ringtone, I don't know why the fuck you need 40 seconds, because you're not going to listen to the whole damn thing, are you? I always like to do somewhere around 26 to 20 seconds, because that's what my phone can actually handle. And if you want to choose a part, alright, well, I'm going to play it, and then we'll just find out which part we're going to do. Alright, I don't want it there. Let's try right here. might extend this a little bit. Nah, that's not what I wanted. Son of a bitch. Close. Extend that a little bit. Alright, I think that's good enough. Once you're done, I just like doing a phone default. I don't like messing around with anything. You can actually do the fade in, fade out to make it feel like a real ringtone. Show you what that does. It's like that. Why not? I'll do that. Now, once you're done with that, hit continue. And then this will be my phone number I'll be sending it to it next. Hit send. There'll be a little advertisement, and that'll be mixers creating your ringtone. Now, you should be getting your ringtone in about 5 minutes or less, and I don't know if you heard that, but I just got my ringtone now. There'll be a link. What you're actually going to need, though, in order for, obviously to get free ringtones is actually internet access. If you don't have internet access, then you're kind of fucked. You need internet access on your phone. Don't have that, you're fucked. So you'll go to your phone and open the message and go where it says link. However you get on the internet. I usually have to click it, and then it'll pop up. It says go to link, go to link. Then once you go to link, there will be a download option. Hit download. And it will be downloading to your phone, and you can choose where to save it. And once you're done with that, apply it as your ringtone and enjoy. And like I said, create an account. Alright, that concludes this tutorial on how to make free ringtones. For more information, visit our webpage at www.youtube.com/no such thing as security. This is Poser Hacker, and signing off.